Sugar Bites Beauty. My name is Myra. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I'm going to be showing you what I got in my Pinrose mystery box, or it's a mystery surprise box that they had a few weeks ago. And I got the items and I just wanted to share them with you guys. And Pinrose, I will link their website below. They sell the most amazing perfumes, you guys. I'm in love. They smell so good. They last all day, and I'm a huge fan. So when they had this mystery box, I think it was like $35. I had to pick it up because I don't own a lot of their stuff, but I do have several of their perfumes, and I wanted to see what we would get, hopefully try out something new. So let me show you what I got. And this I've actually been using since I received this, okay? Because it smells, oh my gosh, it just smells so good. It's the Pinrose Secret Genius Scented Candle. So we got a little candle and it smells, I don't know. It's like floral but a little bit of masculine. And it just, oh my gosh, I just love it. It smells delicious. And okay, next thing in here is the Profit Travel Fragrance Pack, and it has 20 perfume petals. So they're like the little, this is what it looks like. And they're just like the little perfume, I don't know what you would call them. They're like the little packs, and they have like that little gauze inside that's packed with the perfume. So I'm glad that they have different scents, and these are perfect because I like to just throw those in my purse, and that way wherever you go you can have a little fragrance if you need it. Okay, they included this little keychain. It's like a little heart that is totally cute. And there's a little baby of the Gilded Fox. This is my favorite perfume. This is super cute too. This smells like cocoa and caramel. It is delicious. I love this. At first I was like, maybe this isn't for me. And the more I used it and the more it mixed with my own body chemistry, oh my gosh, that just smells amazing. And then they put in the Pinrose Perfume A Go-Go, and these are the perfume wipes. And again, there's 20 of them in here, and there's different scents. So, totally excited for that. And the last thing in here is this. And this I think is super cute. It's the Pinrose Twirl and Whirl, and it's a perfume trio. So this is what it looks like. It's got the little things hanging here. I think it's totally cute. And there's 3 perfumes in here. You have Secret Genius, Little Dipper, and the other one is Wild Child. So that's super cute. I mean, for $35, that's not bad. I did add some of this stuff up. It actually retails for over $100, so they did pretty good, and I'm super excited to have it. I did announce it when I saw it on my Instagram, so I hope you guys were able to pick it up if you do follow me there. Let me know if you did. Let me know if you've tried anything from this brand before or what your favorite perfume is. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks. Bye.